Before you waste money on an open frame printer that struggles with ABS, carbon fiber, or even stable PLA prints, check the best deal links in the description below. Prices move fast, especially on enclosed Core XY machines. What if you could print faster, safer, quieter, and with better layer consistency, all inside a temperature-controlled enclosure? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best enclosed 3D printers in 2026, from beginner-safe plug-and-play machines to high-speed Core XY carbon fiber beasts. Stick around till number 1 because the top pick delivers insane speed, AI monitoring, and carbon fiber capability at a price that shocks most makers. Let's get started.
Number 5. Dremel Digilab 3D20. If you're a beginner who wants safety, simplicity, and zero assembly headaches, this one earns its place. The Dremel Digilab 3D20 is a fully enclosed, pre-assembled 3D printer designed for absolute beginners, hobbyists, classrooms, and families. It arrives ready to print straight out of the box, and even includes a PLA spool to get you started immediately. What makes it different? Safety. It's PLA only, uses a non-heated bed, and carries third-party UL certification, making it one of the safest enclosed printers available. The enclosure helps maintain consistent temperatures and protects users from moving parts. It features a 9-inch build depth, a 230°C extruder, and compatibility with Cura-based slicing software via Dremel's Digilab Slicer. Now, let's be honest, this is not a speed monster. It's not for ABS, nylon, or carbon fiber. It's built for simplicity and reliability. But if you want stress-free printing without tuning nightmares, this machine delivers exactly that. Best for beginners, schools, and safe home environments. Downside, PLA-only printing and slower performance compared to Core XY competitors.
Number 4. Creality K1 SE. Now we step into serious speed territory. The Creality K1 SE is a fully enclosed Core XY machine capable of reaching 600 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration, up to 12 times faster than traditional bed slingers. It features dual-gear direct drive extruder, quick swap tri-metal nozzle up to 300°C, full auto leveling, input shaping and vibration control, rigid die-cast aluminum frame. This machine is built for speed and consistency. The enclosure allows stable printing for higher temperature materials, while Wi-Fi connectivity, power loss recovery, and filament detection make it modern and convenient. Compared to the K1C, which we'll discuss later, this is the more budget-friendly version, sacrificing some advanced features but keeping raw speed. Best for makers who want high-speed enclosed printing without paying premium flagship prices. Downside, less advanced monitoring features compared to higher-tier models.
Number 3. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo, multicolor enclosed. Now things get creative. The Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo brings multicolor printing inside an enclosed Core XY system, offering 4-color printing out of the box and expandable to 8 colors. This changes everything for creators who hate painting prints manually. With speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration, it's not just colorful, it's fast. What really stands out? A built-in filament drying system, Ace Pro, that actively dries filament during printing. That means fewer clogs, smoother layers, and more consistent results, especially in humid environments. Automatic flow calibration reduces blobbing and improves surface quality, something most printers in this price range struggle with. App control, remote monitoring, and multi-file management add convenience. Best for creators who want multicolor enclosed printing with speed and smart automation. Downside, more complex system. Beginners may face a learning curve. Number 2. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro. This one is built like a production machine. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro features a full metal Core XY structure capable of extremely high acceleration, delivering both speed and precision. It supports quick swap nozzles, 0.25 to 0.8 millimeters, automatic bed leveling via pressure sensing, dual-sided PEI build plate,
dual air filtration system, direct drive extruder. The enclosed chamber allows printing of PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, TPU, PC, and carbon fiber variants. Setup takes about 10 minutes, and app connectivity allows remote monitoring and control. This machine feels premium, stable, industrial. Compared to Cobra S1, it focuses less on color and more on material performance and mechanical reliability. Best for? Advanced hobbyists and pros needing material versatility and stable enclosed performance. Downside, higher price and slightly heavier footprint.
Number 1. Creality K1C. This is where performance meets intelligence. The Creality K1C is a carbon fiber-ready, fully enclosed Core XY beast capable of 600 mm per second speed and 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration with a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end. It supports carbon fiber filaments like PLACF, PACF, PETCF. What pushes it to number 1? AI camera for real-time failure detection, automatic calibration, silent mode around 45 decibels, quick swap unicorn tri-metal nozzle, advanced vibration compensation. The enclosure ensures stable temperature for high-performance materials, and the intelligent monitoring gives peace of mind during long prints. Compared to every other printer in this list, the K1C balances speed, strength, automation, and smart features better than anything else here. It's not just fast, it's future-ready. Best for? High-speed prototyping, carbon fiber printing, and advanced makers. Downside, overkill for absolute beginners who only print PLA casually.
If you want the safest beginner enclosed option, go with the Dremel 3D20. If you want budget speed, K1 SE delivers. If you want color creativity, Cobra S1 Combo wins. If you want production stability, Adventurer 5M Pro is solid. But if you want the best overall enclosed 3D printer in 2026, speed, AI, carbon fiber, and serious performance, the Creality K1C takes the crown. That wraps up the best enclosed 3D printers of 2026. If you want stronger materials, quieter printing, and professional level results without open frame headaches, an enclosed printer is the smart move. All the best deals and updated prices are waiting in the description below. Check them before stock runs low. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful tech breakdowns. Drop a comment. Which enclosed printer are you choosing this year? See you in the next one, Maker.